How to make money from JVZoo for Nigerians. Have you been searching on how to make money online through affiliate marketing? Are you in Nigeria and you want to make money by working online from the comfort of your home? You are in the right video and at the right time. So stick to this video and watch to the end. If you have not registered your JVZoo account, go ahead and do just that. Have you registered already? Go ahead and log in. Click on this icon. Once you log into your JVZoo account, go ahead and click on affiliates. Go ahead and click on find products and give it some time to load. Okay, so right now go ahead and pick any product of your choice you want to promote and make money. So what you're going to do is click on request app. Yes, you must request for the approval before you can start earning, right? So right here you're going to write a comment. Tell them the things you do, the platform you use to promote their products. Okay, so let me just do just that. So you can go ahead and say hello Peter. Then you say your name. I'm John. I would love to promote your products on my YouTube channel and Facebook as well. Thanks for your approval. I go ahead and click on I am not a robot. Request affiliate approval. Go ahead and click on that. Submit it. As you can see, your affiliate request has been submitted. Now you give them some time to go through your message and approve you. And if you have already been approved, you go to your affiliate approval products. So these are the ones I'm promoting. These are the ones that have been approved so far. So this is it, guys. So anyone you want, once you get approval from these guys, you want to promote their products, go ahead and click on get links. Go ahead and click on get links. As you can see, that's my link up there. That's my link. So grab it. Once I grab that, so that is how to get approved on each product you want to promote and make money. So follow the steps, you'll be successful. Go out there and share your link on Facebook, on your YouTube accounts, and so on and so forth. See you on top. In my next video, I will teach you guys on how to withdraw your money that you have made so far on JVZoo. Okay, if you do not have a US PayPal account to receive and send money here in Nigeria, comment in the description. I will make a video for you and teach you how to do just that. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and stay tuned. Thanks. Peace out.